Hello students, today we will be performing our first experiment, study of logic gates. Study of logic gates is what? It is a logic circuit which has one or more input signal but only one output signal. This part you have done in your theory semiconductor chapter. So here in practical, we will just study about how to connect the gate and how to verify with the help of truth table. Now this logic gates is a digital circuit. Now why it is called as a digital circuit? Because it has input and output signal either low or high. For low we are using 0 and for high we are using symbol 1. That is, it has only two input output, that is low voltage or high voltage. For low we are using 0 and for high we are using 1. Now today we will be using IC 7408 for AND gate, IC 7432 for OR gate, IC 7402 for NOT gate and 7400 for NAND gate. So, and 7404 for NOT gate. So, one by one we will see how to verify the gate, working of the gates and their with the help of their truth table. So, first I will start with NOT gate, that is 7404. So, 7404 is a NOT gate. Now, here the symbol for NOT gate is like this. Here A is for input signal. It has only one input signal, and but obvious output is always remain 1 for all the gate. But input signal for NOT gate is only 1. That is, we have shown here input with the help of A. It is in the shape of triangle and one NOT here. So this is symbol for NOT gate. So if you are giving input A either low or high, so output Y will be A bar. That is, whatever it over here, it will be just opposite of that, reverse of it. For example, if you are giving input 1, that is high voltage, the output will be low. And if you are giving low input, that is 0 voltage, output will be high. So that we will see on the with the help of truth table on the breadboard. So here I have taken, this is your breadboard. This is your IC 7404. Now in this IC, if you see the diagram, here it is given that pin number 14 is always what? VCC. And pin number 7 is always connected to ground. Now, if you are giving pin number 1 as an input, so you will get output on pin number 2. If you are giving 3 input, output you will get on pin number 4. Like this here in the diagram clearly it is given. Pin number 5 input, 6 as output. Here pin number 9 input, 8 will be the output. Pin number 11 input, then pin number 10 you will get the output. On pin number 13 if you are giving input, on pin number 12 you will get the output. Now here this NOT sign is there. In the same way, if you see on the breadboard also, you can see here the NOT sign is there. So always you have to start counting from the NOT side, and this NOT should always face to your left side, not to the right side. So this is the left side. So from here we have to count pin number 1, 2, 3, then it is 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then from here it will be this is your pin number 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is your notch. We have to start counting from the notch. Clear? Now in the diagram it is given pin number 7 should always be connected to ground. Now in this breadboard you can see this is column and this is your row. Horizontal arrangement, this upper one is for, we are saying upper one, here connection kaisa mein rahega? Row wise. And this in middle it is column wise connection is there. In the same way down also it is row wise. Okay. Now I have kept IC over here between the board. Okay. Now This is your pin number 1, pin number 2, 3, then 4, then 5, 6 and 7. 7 I have to connect to the ground. So what I have done, just take any wire like this. It is like this. You have to just apply on pin number 7 anywhere. This is the vertical column. Anywhere, if you are putting on this, it will be okay. It will be the same. These all are internally connected. So I am just putting over here. Clear? And the second end of the wire to this ground. This downward, that is horizontal row, this row wise, either 1 or second. In the first one I am connecting, that is the ground. So first line, all are grounded. Clear? Now pin number 14. This last one is pin number 14. So 14 is connected to VCC. So I am giving here one wire and the other end to the upper end. That is horizontal. Here I am giving the VCC. Now I have to supply a 5 volt power supply. So for that we will be using this battery which is of 5 volt. Now here positive plus VCC and negative we will consider as a what? Ground. Now already this line we have given for the VCC. So I will take this positive and anywhere I will give like this. So it will be considered as what? VCC. On pin number 14 ke idhar VCC. This first row is for VCC. If you are putting over here or over here, it will remain the same because it is connected horizontally. So I am connecting over here my VCC and this black one is, that is negative ground, that I have to connect over here. So that connection I am giving over here. Clear? Now pin number 1, in this NOT gate only one input. So pin number 1 I will providing input. I give input signal. So to give input signal, take one wire, put it on a pin number 1. Put it on a pin number 1. And other end to the ground. Now to give the output, instead of using voltmeter, I have used this LED. As we all know, this LED has 2 terminals. So the bigger one we are considering as a positive and the smaller one will be considering as a negative. So this positive will go to the pin number 2. Pin number 2 and this lower one will go to the negative. So in this way we have to do the connection. Now to check the output, I'll put this at output pin, this LED, that is on pin number 2 and this. Now see, output is high. I have given low input. This pin number 1 is input which is connected to ground. If you are connecting to ground means you are supplying low voltage, that is low signal. And on pin number 2 you are getting high, means the truth table will be, if you are giving low input, output will be high. Okay. Now I will give high input, I should get low input. So to get the low input I have used this LED as I told you. So this will not glow. So now I am giving this input as a high. This upper part, as I told you, it is connected to VCC. So this whole first line is the high. So I am connecting over here. C for low input and high output, because once we will give the low input, output will be high. Now to give, this is my input pin. Now this is connecting to VCC, that is high input. Once you will connect to high input, see now LED is not glowing because you have given high input, output is low. Output is low. Clear? And once you will give low input, output will be high. Now I will show you. The input is low, output is high. Clear? At input is low, output is high. At high and output, the LED will glow. And once it was low input, once it was low input, output is high, and when the input is high, output is low. When low output, LED will not glow, and at high output, LED will glow. So clear this NOT gate to everyone. So this pin number 7404 is your NOT gate. From NOT side, you have to start counting. Notch should always face to the left side. So either you take pin number 3 or 4, any one you can take. It is not necessary to connect all the any one. Yeah, I have taken pin number 1 and 2 as a output. So what you have to do, you have to make this diagram. In the exam, you have to make this symbol for NOT gate. And this is your truth table. This truth table, you are not supposed to make this truth table. Just cut it. Make this truth table. It has only one input signal and one output. So this truth table you have to cancel, make this table. And observation table will also be the same, because whatever input you are giving, the output, corresponding output you have to write. So this will be your observation table. Clear this for everyone? We'll start with IC 7432, which is your OR gate. Okay, this is your IC, this is your notch. We have to start pin number 1 and 2. We'll take it as what? Input, and pin number 3 as output in the same way. So what we will do now? Again on the breadboard, I have connected in the middle this IC. This is your notch, pin number 1 and 2. I have given 2 input. It has 2 input, and for output we will use this LED. Okay. Now the truth table is, this is the symbol for OR gate. 2 input A and B, output will be A plus B. Output will be A plus B. That is, if you are giving both the input is low, that is 0 and 0, output will be low. If you are giving low input and high input, low input 0, high input 1, you should get output 1. That is, here LED will glow. It means either any input will be high, you will get high output. Only in one condition, if both the input is low, then only you will get low output. So now this we will check with the help of truth table and our examination. So here I have taken 2 input, that is pin number 1 and 2. Now I am giving both the input high. I'll give first both the input high. So to give both the input high, I have to connect this pin number 1 and 2 to the VCC. So this upper line I have taken as a what? VCC, and for output will connect this LED sorry, to the pin number 3. Now see here, both the input is high, output also I am getting high. Now what I will do? I will do one input low. One input low means what? I will remove this and I will connect this to the ground. Then also it is high, because condition says either any input is high, you will get high output. Now I am giving both the input low. Both the input I will connect to the ground. Now see, output is low. Clear this for everyone? So what you have to do? You have to make this truth table, and the same thing will come in the observation. Here we are not taking the voltage. Instead of voltage, we have connected what? LED. So write the same thing. If you are giving input 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 1 1 0 0 will be 0. Clear this for everyone? So this is your OR gate 7432. In exam you have to make this diagram, symbol and observation table. Clear this for everyone? IC 7408, which is your AND gate. Again it has two input, one output. The symbol for AND gate is like this. One standing this curve, this is your AND gate. A, B input, output will be A dot B, that is A into B, you can say AB. If you are giving input AB, output will be AB. So here truth table is given for 0 0, means when both the input is low, output is also low. If one input is low, other input is high, then also you will get low input. Do the correction in your handbook. Here it is printed 1 and 1. Here to make it 0. Then it is given wrong. For AND gate, both the inputs should be high, then only you will get high output. If either of the input is low, your output will be low. So make the correction over here at this point. It should be 0 0, that is low input. Only 1 you will get high input when both the input is high. Now we'll check on this breadboard. The same IC I have connected, that is 7408. In the same way, pin number 1 and 2 is input, and on pin number 3 we will get the output. Now first we'll check with the both the input high. So this pin number 1 and 2 I'll connect to the high output, that is to the VCC. This first line is your VCC. As I explained to you in the first case, I have connected to the high voltage, and pin number 3 is the output. Now see here, both the input is high, you got high output. Now if any one I'll make low, this one I'll connect to the ground. Any one input you make it low. Now this output is low. Clear? This output is low. Now if you make both the input low, then also you will get low output. So for AND gate, it is necessary to get both the input high to get the high output. Both the input, that is both the signal is high, then only you will get high output. Clear this for everyone? So here this is the diagram for AND gate 7408 IC connection, pin connection. This is the formula, truth table and symbol. So this all three you have to make it in exam also. Clear? Now we'll start with NAND gate, that is pin number 7400. Again the pin connection is same, 1 and 2 is input, 3 is your output. Now the truth table here is, the symbol for NAND gate is in the same way, but at the output we will get the bar AB bar. Okay, the diagram is same, and here you will get one not sign, that is Boolean sign, and AB bar is your output. Now you have to make the correction in the truth table. If you are making both the input low, then output will be high. Here it is given low input, so make the correction. Both the input low, output will be high. One input low, other input high, high. One input low, other is low, one input high, other is low, you will get high. When both the input high, then you will get low output. So make the correction over here also. 1 1 1 0 means either of the input or both the input is low, you will get high output. Only low output you will get when both the input is high. When both the input is high, you will get low output. And in either case, whether both the input is low or either any one is high, you will get high output. Clear? Now this we will check again on this connection. I have done the same way. If we see, pin number 1 and 2 input, 3 is your output. Now first on pin number 3, I'll be connecting this for output, this LED. Because both the input is what? Both the input is low. It is connected to ground. So you got high output. You got high output. Both the input is connected to ground, that is negative terminal, low signal. You got high output. Now I will make one of the input is high. Again you will be getting high output. Now both the input I'll make high now. Now both the input is high. Both the input is connected to VCC. The output is your low. So this truth table is verified. When both the input is low, when both the input is high, you got low output. If either of the input I'll make high, one input is high, one is low, high output. Both the input low, you will get high output. So clear this for everyone, NAND gate. Clear this table. So you have to make that pin connection which is given over here. This pin connection for 7400 NAND gate. And here this symbol you have to make for NAND gate. This is symbol for NAND gate, and this table you have to make the connection, and the same thing over here will come. Means what input you have provided, what output you got. Clear this for everyone? Now we'll start 7404, that is NOR gate. Okay, this is a symbol for NOR gate. Two input, output will, here it is the dot, output is y, a plus b bar, a plus b bar. In OR we are having only a plus b, for NOR we are having bar, that is a plus b reverse. Now input, again you have to make correction in this truth table. Here both the input is low, then output will be high. So make the correction. Here it is given low input. So when both the input is low, output will be high. And in either case you will get low output. Both the input low, output is high. Either of the input is low, you will get low output. Okay, now we'll check this over here. Again the same connection, pin number 1 and 2 is the output. Now what is the truth table? If both the input is low, you will get high output. So I'll make here both the input low connecting to the ground. Both the input connecting to the ground, and for output I'll use this LED connecting to the pin number 3. Now we'll see NOR gate, which is IC number 7402. 7402 NOR gate. Now here if you see the pin connection, here pin number 2 and 3 is the input signal and 1 is the output signal. Clear? 2 and 3 input, 1 is output. In the same way you can check everywhere. 5 and 6 input, 4 is output. 9 and 8 input, 10 is output. 11 and 12 input, 13 is output, and the 14 number pin is VCC and the 7 is ground is the same. Now here see the symbol for NOR gate like this. It is AB input. If you are giving AB, output will be Y is equals to A plus B the bar. It is A plus B the bar. Now we'll see on the breadboard. Here I have taken IC 7402. Now here I have to give input on pin number 2 and 3. Input on pin number 2 and 3. So I have taken 2 wire, pin number 2 and 3. Now pin number 14 is to the VCC. This first line is the VCC, and here the first line is for ground. So pin number 14 to the VCC and pin number 7 to the ground, and this power supply plus to the VCC and negative to the ground. Now what I have to do? I have to give truth table. Now check this truth table. Here if you see, if both the input is low, you will get high output, and in either case you will get low input. Clear? So first I will give both the input as low. So pin number 2 and 3 I'll give low input, that is connected to the ground, and for output I'll take LED, that is pin number 1. Now this pin number 1 is connected to this. So if we can say that if 2 pin is low, output you are getting high. Output is, wait, let me connect, okay. Both the input is low, output is high. Now I'll make one of the input low, one of the input high. To make it high, I'll connect this to VCC. See here, output is low. If both the input is high, what will happen? If both the input is high, your output should be low. See here, output is low. Understood this for everyone? So this is your truth table. When you make both the input low, you will get high output. Again, I'll show you both the input low. Pin number 1 is for output. Output is high. And if either of the input you will make it low, output is low. Clear for everyone this? So what you have to do, you have to make this pin connection. This is a symbol. Just you have to keep in mind that in all the ICs we have made 1 and 2 input and 3 as output. 4 and 5 as the input, 6 as output. But here in NOR gate only you have to make 2 and 3 input, 1 as output. This is your symbol. This is your truth table. You have to make correction in this because here everywhere is printed 1 1. So when both the input low, you have to make 1 and other you have to make it 0. In either case you will get low output. Only for both the input low you will get high output. So clear this for everyone. Now after completing this, come to this part, question part. Here the first question is given. Explain what are the basic logic elements. So here we have seen OR gate, AND gate and NOR gate are the basic logic gates. OR, and NOT are the basic logic gates. And the next one, what are the application of the logic gates? It is used in digital clock, circuit and computer, where you require in all the digital circuit it is used. Logic gates are used in all the digital circuit where a high input and low input are required. Now next one, NAND gate is combination of which two basic gates? So NAND gate is a combination of and NOT gate. It is a combination of and NOT gate, like this. AND gate, NOT gate will give you NAND. AND gate, NOT gate, you will get NAND. Clear? In the same way, NOR gate is the combination of which two basic gates? So NOR gate is the combination of OR and NOT gate. See here the symbol OR and NOT, you will get NOR gate. Clear this for everyone? Experiment is completed. Study of logic gate. I will send you the pic how to write and what correction. All the correction that is with the truth table and what you have to write. All I will send you the pic. From there you have to write it in your handbook neatly and clearly.